Hi, good day to all the gorgeous hearts out there. This is Asa from Creative Fairy Designs, and thank you very much for joining me today. For today's episode, we are going to make an upcycle paper bag into this cute envelope bag. And inside here, I have the envelopes that we made in our last episode. And I'm going to place these envelopes inside these bags because I'm going to this envelope bag because I'm going to mail it out to a friend. So inside the envelope bag we have some more tiny envelopes, or you could use it for whatever purpose you wish. It's really quick and it's really easy. I load these printables on my Ko-Fi shop as a freebie, so please check it out. So stay with me and let's get started. This is the paper bag we will be using for our project today. This is a 6-pound brown paper bag. So I just want to cut the edge here just to make it straight. And now we're just going to use the base here to fold it. We're going to fold it so we get 3 sections. 1, 2. And this top section is what we're going to use to cut the flap for our envelope bag. Now using the top half of the flap, we're going to cut away the front part because we're not going to be needing this piece here because this is what we are going to be using for. So just cut it around, cut the corners. Straight down to where you have your fold. Fold it over like this. And cut off. And this will be the part for the flap. Now we're just going to take a pencil and draw a curve that you want to cut out. Curve it straighter for your envelope for the opening so you can tuck inside. And we're tucking these tiny envelopes inside our envelope bag. Now just cut out the shape with your scissors. And also cut around the edges here just to make it straight and even and to make it fold easier. Now don't go too close to the edge to cut it because you don't want to leave an opening there. Do the same for the other side. Next, we're going to slightly fold the top flap of our bag and just slightly cut it. Make sure it's even. And just cut it and curve it, curve it, curve it, curve it to the edge, just like as if you were curving an envelope. Make sure you like the way it looks. Looks fine to me. These will be the printables that we are using today to cover this bag, and it's 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take the first piece of paper, lay it against the front section, and measure it. And you can cut it a tad bit 1 mm shorter than the bag. We are going to cut this part out. Now we're going to use the 2 remaining pieces, place it against these 2 sides, and cut to fit maybe like a tad 1 mm short at the borders. I've already cut one, so now you can just, after you finish cutting one, place it on the second one and just use the same measurements. And cut out the second one. We will just use the remaining page, measure, and cut out another piece for our base. So we are going to take the paper, place it under our flap, and draw around our flap with a pencil. And then cut out this shape. Now we are going to use a remaining piece, cut it to the size of the bag, place it inside the bag, let it go all the way down, flip it over, and just cut around the shape of the envelope. And now we're going to glue the sides. We'll start with the inner piece. Now we will add our second inner piece. And stick it down, ensure that you have the edges, that you got the edges all sealed down, and allow it to dry. Moving on, we will be sticking the front piece. I am also going to add glue stick to this, just glide it on. This gives a better hold and allows your glue to spread evenly. Use a glue stick Ensure that you have glue to the edges. Use a bone folder, spatula to press it down. And back to fold. Now for the top flap, place the flap in the position. Now for the base, now for the inner flap, now I'm just going to place some of the envelopes that we made in the last episode into our envelope bag. I'm just going to apply one of the craft circle punch. Pass. Both pieces through. And we're just going to tie a cute little bow. And this is our finished bag. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching.